We are a constabulary of around 2,500 people, and we look after about 900,000 people plus holidaymakers. We invite modern, well-equipped people to come and join us, and immediately they arrive we get them to put down their smartphones and pick up a pen and paper. And my frustration with that is that it's inefficient. We don't have information when we need it, and I came up with a phrase, I want to work at work like I work at home. We decided that we're not going to buy technology that is specific to policing. We're going to treat ourselves like any other business, and we're going to use off-the-shelf technology to deliver the policing business, and that's what we're doing.
Clearly, the best you can do with a notebook is either write in it or draw a picture in it. If you look at the application to serve, it allows you to build your evidence from the scene directly into the application. It allows you to capture digital media and at the same time share that with your entire organisation without having to go anywhere physically near another person. It significantly changes the quality of the evidence from the very beginning.
We've currently got over 1,000 mobile devices out, and Windows allows you to work the same on a phone, on a slate, on a laptop or a desktop, so people have the same information whatever device they choose to use in whatever circumstances. The intention is to create an entirely paper-free organisation.
If you're stopping someone on the street, clearly we have a number of different systems for various information. What the application is doing is going into each one and pulling back all of the relevant information, displaying that to the officer in a single view that they can then interact with and reuse that information.
The software deals with accuracy and correctness, so instead of making foolish mistakes, which can happen, the software will correct things. It won't allow you to go to page 2 if you haven't finished all the boxes in page 1, for example, which means the more cases will get to court in time and we'll get a better chance of prosecutions and victims and witnesses getting the service they need from us.
If we can create a case file on the street, we are in the position where we can transfer that case file remotely to a Crown prosecution lawyer. And that's highly important because that means that we save on travelling time, we save on operational hours, and essentially that makes that more cost effective.
We have a mapping system that will show where every officer is and what they're currently assigned to. So from a supervisor's point of view, they can have a look, touch the map, and it will open up the incident, and so they can see what's happening, and if necessary they can make their own deployments and move their own staff around.
If the officer goes into a particular area that we've designated, certain information will pop up on the screens automatically.
You can see where you are, you can see where your colleagues are, and what outstanding jobs or other activity is around you. You've got the right information at the right place at the right time.
One of the key things with the Microsoft technology is it very much just seamlessly works together. It just gives us real power and flexibility to deliver the solutions that the business is wanting to do.
We've got people who are saying this is the best thing they've had because it's easy to use, so even the technophobes can point and touch and swipe. It's saving them hours and hours of time, and more importantly, they're giving a better service.
We're really excited about what we're doing. We know how it's changing the way we do business. It's very, very energising, and it makes you want to do more.
We're delivering something that is helping us save many, many millions of pounds. It's giving the public a better service, and the cops actually really like using it.